It's time now for another episode of Canteen Cup Tuesday. Once again, I am your host, Matt the Old Florida Boy with SRS Outfitters and the Swamp Rat Survivalist School. You know, this is one that I have wanted to do for a while because I seen this stuff, Denor Sides Stroganoff. And I guess it's like beef stroganoff or something, but it ain't got no beef in there. This is just the noodles and the stroganoff mix. And what I'm going to do is I got some leftover ribeye steak, and it was hard to get a leftover ribeye steak, but from Christmas Eve dinner I got some leftover ribeye steak in there. So we're going to make steak stroganoff. This should be interesting because this says you're supposed to put some cream in there, and I ain't got no cream and I ain't got no margarine. So oh, low fat milk, that's even worse. So I think I figured out a way around that. So let me show you what I'm thinking about. All right, this recipe says you got to boil up 1.5 cups of water and 1/2 cup of low fat milk and some margarine. I ain't got no low fat milk, so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna give it 2 cups of water, and I pretty much know where that is, right about there. That's about 2 cups of water. And to make the milk, what we're going to do is we're going to go into our spice kit, and this is my updated spice kit. What I did is I found out I had these little Dollar Tree things, and you know it's clear, and it's just a little bit bigger than the Altoids tin, so it's awesome. You can see what's on the top, and now you can get all 5 little spice things in with even one more bouillon cube. So what I got in the top of here is a non-dairy creamer. So I'm going to throw that in there, and we're going to call that milk. I don't really know how this is going to be. So this could be great, or it could suck really, really bad. But, you know, how bad could it be? All right, let's see if that's going to mix. Well, it kind of looks like milk. I bet you all them clumps will disappear when I get this boiling. So now I'm going to go over and we're going to get this on the stove. All right, y'all know all about the Canteen Cup stove. So we got the little thing here. We're going to get about an ounce, maybe 1.25 ounces. And thank you for the person that suggested that I light the stove and then put the Canteen Cup stove over it. So thank you. All right, that's lit. Now we put that over so we don't have to go like a chimpanzee and get a stick and light the stove. Okay, I don't want to waste any heat, so I'll put that right on there. We're gonna put the top right on there like that. We'll come back when it's boiling. All right, let's check out how our concoction's doing here. Ooh, it's smoking. I'm probably gonna have to reload the stove a little bit, maybe a couple times, because it says you're supposed to simmer this stuff like 8 minutes, and that thing is like wide open and stops. So it's getting good. You notice that I ain't no couillon zois today because I brought my gloves along with me so that I can pick up this hot handle. Yeah, we got about 1/4 ounce of fuel left in there. We're gonna let it boil, and then we're gonna put the noodles in. All right, let's see how we're doing. All right, I can start to see some bubbles. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put this stuff in there. See if we can get it. See if we can get it boiling before the stove runs out. Whoo! Well, I don't know. This might be stroganoff, and it might be garbage. So, how bad could it be, though? All right. so we're gonna see if we can get that to a boil. Yeah, we're doing pretty good on gas. We are gonna have to reload this stove one more time at least, but it's rocking and rolling. All right, it is really wheeling now. This is the problem with this stove. It's so hot that it's really hard to simmer anything, and you get it to a boil over like that almost. Phew. So now I gotta kind of. This is gonna be interesting. Man, it's a little breezy out here, so that the flame from the stove is going all over the place. And I'm trying to cook it as much as I can to cook it down without it boiling over. Whew. And it is, man, that thing is hot. Jeez. All right, so I'm gonna continue this little song and dance until I think all the noodles are cooked. So, all right, the stove just went out, so I had to put some more alcohol in there. Now, I'm just waiting for it to bloom up and reboil this stuff. Actually, it's kind of simmering pretty good right now before the stove gets all caught up. But as soon as that stove blooms out, that's going to boil right over. So I'm going to continue this little song and dance, and we'll come back when I think it's just about cooked. Okay, I think I determined that I had a little too much liquid in there. So I poured a little bit out, and now it seems to be boiling pretty good. There's no simmer about this. All I got to do is just get them noodles cooked. God, that stove is so hot. Shoo! Jeez, I might have to dump a little bit more liquid out of here too. Let me try a noodle if I get one. There's one. Not yet. I think what I'm going to have to do is give this a couple more minutes maybe, and then just pour a little bit of the liquid in it, out of it, and add the steak to it. But I'm going to give it. It's boiling like a mother, and it's not boiling over. So I'm going to give these noodles as long as I can at this high heat, and then I'll bring you back. All right, I had to fill the stove up a third time. You know, as soon as this burns out, and it's almost out, I am going to proclaim this done. This may be a great stove for, boiling water and cooking up stuff. I mean, because it's so hot, it's like a flash furnace. But it's for simmering stuff like this, it really sucks. I mean, it like really sucks. But it's starting to thicken up, I guess. I guess when I add the steak and I put the top on for about 5 or 10 minutes, I guess it'll thicken up pretty nice. That's kind of what I'm hoping is going to happen. So this is almost burnout. It's almost burnout. So your guess is as good as mine how much longer it is going to burn. God, this stove. I used about 1.25 ounces of alcohol, and that's the most I've ever used on this Canteen cup stove rig that I got. Ah, yeah, we're thickening up pretty good now. I think those noodles are going to be pretty good. I think we are out. Yeah. Okay. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to dump the steak in without turning everything over, which will be a miracle if I do. Miracles do happen. All right. Whew, look at that steak in there. Yeah, baby. All right. Now, this is going to thicken up very nicely. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the top on, snap her on, and I'm gonna leave it. And my brother just showed up, and we're gonna go set up his tent. I'll show you that. All right, it's been right at 10 minutes. Let's see what we got. Oh, you guys, look at that. It thickened right up. And you can see the steak. Holy, ooh, it's still smoking. Ooh, man, that looks good. Let's get a little taste. Tastes like stroganoff. All right, let's get that up, and we'll put the finishing touches on it. All right, here we go with our steak stroganoff. That makes almost a full canteen cup full. But what would things be without our old friend Cristal hot sauce? And y'all know me, just a drop. Boy, that'll liven it up a little bit. All right, let's mix that Cristal up. Man, this makes almost a full canteen cup full. What do you think? All right. Man, that is so good. It actually tastes like beef stroganoff with the steak in it. The non-dairy creamer worked. So, oh man, that is so good. So, the Norse stroganoff. Who knew? I didn't know. This is literally the first time I've ever had this. And man, it turned out really good. Kind of a pain cooking it on that stove because you can't simmer it. So, but, well, you know, I brought my gloves with me so I didn't burn up my hands, and I was able to hold it above the fire long enough to have it simmer down, and it really worked good. So, man, that's good. So here we go. Another edition of Canteen Cup Tuesday, and we're going to call this Steak Stroganoff. I guess. So, if you like this video and you want to see more content like this, please leave me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. And once again, this is Matthew Florida Boy with Canteen Cup Tuesday, Steak Stroganoff, saying I will see you on the trail.